Hello, good morning everyone. In today's class of marketing for class 11th, I am going to tell you importance of environmental scanning. In the last my video, I discussed environmental scanning with its meaning and definition. Now I am going to start continuing topic importance of environmental scanning. So before discussing this, we must recall what is environmental scanning. I discussed environmental scanning is a process in which we try to understand what is going on in our environment, in our marketing environment, and we take decisions regarding that. So environmental scanning means we are understanding marketing environment in a proper way so that we can make products properly and we can satisfy our customer. So here is the importance of environmental scanning. So every business for its growth must have to do environmental scanning. Here it is written, the business environment is multifaceted, means it is it is having very much branches. Complex means difficult, and dynamic means changeable in nature and has a far reaching impact on survival and growth of business. So business needs to do environmental scanning so that it can analyze and understand environment properly. Here are some significance or importance of environmental scanning like this. Here is example is given. Some of the in the last line of first paragraph we can see here is written, some of the organizations go even beyond and manage the environment in their own interest, as was the case of Ford, IBM, Sony, McDonald's, Microsoft. Means some these organizations are doing environmental scanning, so these are getting profits and success. So here it is written in the last line, environmental scanning is very significant for the organization as it helps in dash. Means there are many points in importance. First, determining opportunities. Yes, very first point, if we understand our business environment and we are doing business and environment scanning, so it is possible that we know what is going to be next opportunity for us. Means we can take advantage of becoming first. Here it is written, the interaction between the business and environment identifies opportunities and helps in getting first mover advantage. First mover advantage means we can be first in doing first thing. Example is given, Hero Honda, Maruti Udyog, means they became first. Maruti Udyog was the first company to identify demand for small economic cars in India in 1980s. So opportunity means after understanding environment in a proper way, we can see what is going to be next opportunity for us. Opportunities are possible, are positive things. We must take opportunities. Identification of threat. Threats means khatre. Opportunity means mauke, means positive things. Threats means khatre, means dangerous. We must identify dangers coming to us. Dangers can be competitors. Okay. So threats refer to negative or unavoidable external factors that create hurdle. Hurdle means problem for a firm. So threats are negative things, unfavorable and problematic things for a firm. So environmental scanning helps to identify possible threats in future and give warning signals to firm. Okay, warning means kind of chetavni. Threats tell us what are the problems in our company. It gives us signal. Example is given, the proposal of Tata Motors to bring out a small economy car by 2008 was a warning signal for Maruti Suzuki to cut its cost or introduce economy models. Means when next company came in automobile, Tata Motor, and its cost were low, so Maruti Suzuki thought it a danger and it also started to cut its cost. Next, sensitization of management to cope with rapid changes. Yes, as I told, business is dynamic. Dynamic means changeable. Environment is dynamic. Business environment is dynamic means changeable. So by analyzing business environment properly, a businessman can cope up. Cope up means can go with rapid changes in markets. So the knowledge of environmental changes sensitize the market, the management to make strategy to cope with emerging problems. Okay. Formulation of strategies and policies. Strategy means kind of long-term planning. Policy means statements. Yes, for future we can make some planning and some statements. So an environmental scanning helps in identify threats and opportunity in market, as I have discussed in point 1 and 2. So they can serve as the basis for formulation of strategies and opportunities and also policies. Examples are given. Leading companies like Reliance, Airtel, Tata Motors, Bajaj Auto and ITC. These are experts, have engaged the services of expert to monitor trends in external environment. Next, image building. Image building means reputation of company. If a business is properly understanding and properly analyzing business environment, it can increase its reputation in market. So if a firm is sensitive to external environment, it will come out with new products and services to meet the requirements of customer. So this would build the image or reputation of firm by the eyes of customer and general public. Means everything is going properly, then company will do work properly and it will get profit, and definitely its image or reputation will increase in market. Example is given. LG, life's good company, was able to enhance its brand image in Indian market in a short span of time. Similarly, GE, General Electric. Okay, this company makes motors, General Electric. Next, continuous learning. Yes, if a businessman is analyzing or scanning business environment, then there are chances that businessman is continuously learning. Here it is written, strategy formulation is a continuous process that involves keeping in touch with the external environment. Thus, managers continue to understand environmental changes and act on the basis of such information. Okay. Next, direction for growth. Giving direction for growth. Yes, after analyzing and understanding business environment, a manager or a businessman can get direction for future growth. It is written here, the interaction with environment leads to opening up new frontiers, means gates, new doors of growth for business firm. It enables the business to identify area for growth and expansion of their activity. Expansion in Hindi means बढ़ाना, activities को बढ़ाना and grow करना. So business environment or environmental scanning can give direction for growth to a business. Next, point 8, identifying firms' strength and weakness. Yes, very important. Means now, after analyzing business environment, a firm can understand which are its strength and weakness. Strength means positive points, weakness means weaker point or negative point. So business environment helps to identify individual strength and weakness in view of the technological and global development. It activates management to move accordingly. So any business can identify its strength and weakness after business or environmental scanning or after understanding business environment. Next, basis of strategy. Strategy means kind of long-term planning. It is given here, strategist. Strategists are those people who make strategies, like management. Marketer is a person who does marketing. Similarly, strategist is a person who makes strategy. So strategist can gather means collect information regarding business environment and utilize it in formulative effective plans. As I told, strategy is a planning. First one. Last, intellectual stimulation. Intellectual means related with mind. So here it is written, knowledge of environment changes provides intellectual means intelligence. We can get intelligence. Knowledge of environmental changes provides intellectual stimulation to planners and decision making authorities. Okay, means we can get more and more intelligence after understanding business environment and after doing environmental scanning. So these are the 10 points in importance of environmental study. It's an important topic, just go through it. After that, knowledge assessment 1, true false questions are there. Then this session 1 is over. Okay, so you must go through each and every topic, and after that you must do some practice questions, true false, multiple choice question fill up. Just do that everywhere it is given. As we know, in CBSE and in also in class 11th first term examination, it will be objective kind of question paper. So you must understand each and every concept properly, and after you must do some practice questions. Okay, thank you for listening today. In next video I will start session 2. Thank you for listening. Thank you.